is a social networking application of Microsoft Office 365 subscription. It keeps the user's information private as it is an enterprise level application. Yet, as an admin, Microsoft gives you the advantage of ensuring good company culture and data security by temporarily accessing the private contents of a user. This enables you to deal with non-compliant and anti-social activities in a proactive and time-bound manner. As a verified admin of a Yammer network in your organization, you can temporarily grant yourself access to private content to investigate the matters. A verified admin can access the following contents of the users. First, private messages. Second, private groups. Third, messages, files and notes in private groups. Fourth, profiles of the users. If you are a verified admin on Yammer, watch this video to know how you can access private content on Yammer. You need to log into your Office 365 account to access Yammer. From the app launcher, select the option as Yammer. The home page of your Yammer account will open. Now, select the gear icon from the left navigation pane. From the drop-down list, choose the option as Network Admin. The Admin Settings home page will open. Under Content and Security, select the option as Content Mode. On the Content Mode page, you will get the two options. One is Default Mode, that is, you will be able to view only your messages and conversations. The other one is Private Content Mode. With this mode, you will be able to view the private messages and posts of other users of your Yammer network as well. As we want to view the private conversations of the users, so let me select the option as Private Content Mode. Then click on Save. Now again go to Home page. After saving the settings, you will see a banner displaying the message that you are viewing private content. Also, the private content of the users will be visible to the network admin who had activated the private content mode and not to the other network admins of your company's Yammer network. This is for now. To know about other amazing features of Microsoft Yammer, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.